Something is off. He cannot name it. He ate this morning. Walked okay. No limping. No vomiting. But something is different. I just don't know what. He picks up his phone. VetSmart gives you the data to act. The 60-second concern score. One of 8 tools inside VetSmart AI. He answers each one deliberately. A score calculates. Moderate concern. 3 signals detected. He exhales slowly, picks up his phone, dials his vet. Because the dogs who get help fastest are the ones whose owners paid attention. You noticed something was wrong. VetSmart told you what to do about it. VetSmart AI. Visit vetsmartai.totalpetcare.online today.